Hello dear students, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Education World. In last class we have solved the 5 problems from the chapter Coordinate Geometry. In this class I will explain the problem number 6. In problem number 6, 3 sub-questions are there. In that first question is exactly same as in last class we done a fifth problem. It form a square where all sides will be equal as well as diagonals will be equal. So that in sixth question, sub question first one, you can do that problem by yourself easily. Okay. Now in this class I will explain second sub question and third sub question. Okay. Name the type of quadrilateral form if any by the following points and give reason for your answer. Okay dear students, first second problem will solve now. Here points are given. Consider this as A, B, C and D. Apply the distance formula, calculate the distance AB, BC, CD and DA. Then afterwards calculate the diagonals. If you get all sides are equal and diagonals are equal, and it indicate it will be square. Okay. If you not getting all sides are unequal, then it indicate that it is not a square. It is a just quadrilateral. Okay. Now we will check whether it is a square or rectangle or parallelogram. We will check now. Second question, second sub question, points are given. No? Considered A equal to minus 3 comma 5, B equal to 3 comma 1, C equal to 0 comma 3 and D equal to minus 1 comma minus 4. Okay. Now apply the distance formula, calculate the distance AB, BC, CD and DA. First you calculate for AB. What are the values points of AB? A value minus 3 comma 5 and B value is 3 comma 1. Right here AB equal to D equal to, write the distance formula. What is the distance formula students? D equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then AB equal to D equal to, substitute these values here. Consider this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. x2 value is 3, x1 value is minus 3. This minus is related to formula whole square and y2 value is how much? 1. y1 value is 5 whole square. AB equal to D equal to root of 3 you write as it is, minus into minus you will get plus, right here 3 again whole square. 1 minus 5 much you will get minus 4 whole square. Then AB equal to D equal to root of 3 plus 3 how much you will get students here? 6 and 4 square value 16. AB equal to D equal to root of 6 square value how much? 6 square value is 36 and 16 you write as it is. Add these two number. 36 plus 16 how much you will get? You will get here 52. Then write AB equal to root 52. Then this root 52 can be written as 13 4s are 52. Okay. Then AB equal to 4 is a perfect square root. Perfect square root of 2. Then we can write it as AB equal to 2 root 13 units. Okay. Then AB distance value is how much? 2 root 13 units. AB equal to 2 root 13 units will got. Now we will check for BC distance. B value is how much? B points are 3 comma 1 and C point is 0 comma 3. Now calculate the distance BC. BC equal to D equal to, substitute the formula. No means if you want to substitute directly, you can substitute it directly. Okay. Consider this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. Directly substitute. x2 means 0, x1 means minus. This minus is related to formula. x1 value is 3. Next, y2 value is 3, y1 value is 1 whole square. Okay. Then 0 minus 3 how much you will get? Minus 3 whole square. 3 minus 1 2 square. Okay. Then BC equal to root of 3 square value 9, 2 square value 4 9 plus 4, how much you will get? 13. Then BC value is equal to how much? BC equal to root 13 units. Okay. AC value how much you will got, students here? AC value is AC equal to 2 root 13 and BC equal to root 13 units. Now we will check for CD. Okay, what are the points of C? 0, 3 and D point is -1, -4. Consider this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. Okay, now substitute these values in the distance formula. Directly substitute. X2 minus x1 means 0, y2 means -4, y1 means 3 whole square. CD equal to D equal to root of -1 -0, how much will get? -1 whole square. -4 -3, two negative number is there, means what we have to do? We have to add 4, 5, 6, 7 will get -7 whole square. Okay. 1 square value 1, 7 square value 49. Then CD equal to 1 plus 49, how much will get? 50. This 50 can be written as 25 2s are 50. Okay. 5, why I have written? To get the perfect square of 5. 25 is a perfect square of 5. 5 root 2. Then the CD value is how much? CD equal to 5 root 2 units. Next we'll check for DA. D point value is -1, -4 and A point is -3, 5. Now substitute all this value in the distance formula. Consider this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. x2 value is how much? -3. x1 value is -1 whole square. y2 value is 5 and y1 value is -4. Okay. DA equal to root of -3. Minus into minus plus 1 whole square. 5 minus into minus plus 4 whole square. Okay. DA equal to root of -3 plus 1, how much will get, student here? -2 and 5 plus 4 9. Okay. DA equal to root of 2 square value 4, 9 square value 9 9 is 81. Then 81 plus 4, how much will get? 85. Then DA distance value is root 85 units. Okay dear students, are you following? Here we got all the values. AB equal to 2 root 13, BC root 13, CD 5 root 2 and DA equal to root 85 units. It means that it is not a perfect quadrilateral. It is just a simple quadrilateral figure. It is not a square, it is not a rectangle, it is not a parallelogram. Why? Why means here we got all values are different. Hence you write down one statement there. Okay dear students, now write down one statement here. It can be observed that all sides of this quadrilateral, are of different length. Therefore it can be said that it is a general quadrilateral. Why? Because here all sides are unequal and not specific, such as square, rectangle, etc. Not specific, such as square, rectangle, or parallelogram, etc. See children here, in square all sides will be equal. Consider this as square. A, B, C, D. These are the diagonals. A, B, C, D. Here all sides will be equal in square as well as diagonal also equal. Okay. It is a perfect quadrilateral. Even rectangle is also a perfect quadrilateral. In rectangle, two opposite sides will be equal. See these two sides and these two opposite sides are equal. Consider this as A, B, C, D. And diagonals also equal in rectangle. Okay. But in parallelogram, consider this as parallelogram A, B, C and D. Here parallelogram opposite sides will be equal and diagonals are unequal. Okay. All these are perfect quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 edges and 4 vertices. See children, here these points A, B, C, D. What are these? These are called as vertices or vertex. Single point is called as vertex and a group of points is called as vertices. Okay. And lines, see here, A, B, B, C and C, D. These lines are called edges. Okay. What do you call for these lines? Edges, and for points we call it as vertex. Okay. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 edges and 4 vertices. See, all these are quadrilateral. Even that problem we don't know. Second one, that is also a quadrilateral, but it is a simple quadrilateral. It is a irregular in shape. Why it is irregular in shape? Because all sides are different in length. A, B, C, D. See here all sides are different in length. Hence, it is a one type of simple quadrilateral. All sides are different in length. Here sides are not equal. Okay. Now we will go for next problem. See dear student, next problem is A. Consider A as 4, 5, B as 7, 6, C as 4, 3 and D as 1, 2 points. Already points are given in question. We have to consider this as A, B, C and D. Okay. Now calculate the same, apply the distance formula, calculate the distance between the points A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. Okay. Afterwards, calculate the diagonal distance. If all distance are equal, then it is a square. If two opposite side distance are equal and diagonals is equal, then it is a rectangle. If two opposite side values distance is equal and diagonals are unequal, then it is a parallelogram. Okay dear students, now apply the distance formula and calculate the distance. First we will calculate for AB. A value is 4, 5 and B value is 7, 6. Okay. Now apply the distance formula. D equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Consider this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. Okay. Now apply the distance formula. Apply these values in this formula. D equal to AB equal to x2 value is how much? 7. x1 4 whole square. y2 value is 6. y1 value is 5. Okay. 7 minus 4. How much you will get 7 minus 4? 3. 6 minus 5? 1. Okay. Then AB equal to root of 3 square value 9. 1 square 1. 9 plus 1 how much you will get? 10. Then AB value is how much? Root 10 units. Now similarly calculate the distance for BC. B points are 7, 6 and C value is 4, 3. Consider this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. Substitute this value directly in formula, distance formula. x2 means 4 and x1 means 7. y2 means 3, y1 means 6. Okay. Then BC equal to root of 7 minus 4. How much you will get 7 minus 4? 3. Minus 3. 6 minus 3, how much you'll get? Minus 3. Okay. 3 square 9. 3 square 9. 9 plus 9, how much you'll get? 18. Then BC equal to, we can write 9 2 is 18. 9 is a perfect square root of 3. 3 root 2 we can write. Then BC value is how much? BC equal to 3 root 2 units. Now AB distance over, BC over. Now we have to calculate for CD. C points are 4, 3. C equal to 4, 3 and D value is 1, 2. Consider x1, y1, x2, y2. Then CD equal to, substitute directly in distance formula. 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. CD equal to 1 minus 4, how much you will get? Minus 3 whole square. 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole square. 3 square value 9. 1 square value 1. Then root 9 plus 1, how much you will get? Root 10. See, dear students, two set of pairs of values we got same. Now we will check for DA. D value is, what are the points of D? D point is 1, 2 and A 4, 5. Consider this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. Substitute directly this value in the distance formula. X2 value 4, x1 1. Y2 value is 5 and y1 value is 2. Okay. DA equal to 4 minus 1. How much you will get 4 minus 1? 3 whole square. 5 minus 2 you will get 3. Root 3 is 3 square value 9 and 3 square value 9. 9 plus 9 we can write it as 18. And 18 can be written as 9 2 is 18. 9 is a perfect square root of 3. Then we can write it as 3 root 2 units. See children, here we got two set of values, opposite sides values we got same. Here AB equal to root 10, BC equal to, CD equal to root 10, same we got. Okay. Next, BC equal to 3 root 2 units we got and DA equal to 3 root 2. It means it may be a rectangle, no means parallelogram. Now we have to check for diagonals. If diagonals are equal, then it indicates that the given quadrilateral is, it is a rectangle. If diagonals are unequal, then it indicates that the given quadrilateral, here points are mentioned for the quadrilateral parallelogram. Okay, now we will check for diagonals. See children, already we got the two opposite side values same. AB value is root 10 units and DC value is root 10. And AD value is 3 root 2, BC value is 3 root 2. Now we will check for diagonals. AC is one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. Diagonal AC. Apply the distance formula. AC equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Consider this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. Substitute this value in distance formula. x2 value is 4, x1 value is 4, y2 value is 3 and y1 value is 5. AC equal to root of 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 3, how much you will get 5 minus 3? Minus 2 whole square. Okay, 0 plus 2, 2 only. Now 0 square 0 only, 2 square value 4. Root 4. Root 4 value is 2 units. Okay, then the diagonal AC equal to 2 units. Diagonal AC value is 2. Now we have to check for diagonal BD. Diagonal BD. Now write the B value. The point B is 7, 6 and D value is 1, 2. Substitute this value in distance formula. BD equal to D equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. BD equal to D equal to, consider this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. Now substitute this value. x2 value is 1, x1 is 7 whole square, y2 value is 2, y1 value is 6. Okay, BD equal to D equal to 1 minus 7, how much you will get? 6. 2 minus 6 minus 4. Okay, then BD equal to D equal to, how much you will get children here? diagonal AC and diagonal BD. 6 square value 36. 4 square value 16. Add these two numbers 36, 16. 6 plus 6 12. 3, 4, 5. We will get root 52. Okay. How much will get here? Root 52. Now here diagonals AC value is 2 unit and diagonal BD value is, hence you write BD value you got root 52. AC is not equal to BD. Diagonals are not equal. Hence we can write the one statement there. Okay, write down one statement. It can be observed that opposite sides of quadrilateral are of same length. But diagonals are of different length. Okay, dear students? Length. Here all opposite sides are in same length but diagonals are in different length. Okay, hence therefore the given points are vertices of parallelogram. Given points are vertices of parallelogram. In parallelogram, two opposite sides will be equal but diagonals are unequal. Okay, dear students, are you understood this problem? Okay, please like my video, share it and subscribe it.